स्वागत है जी आपका on another episode of Gedi Maro. My name is Sid and with me is Shivam from the Cornea Impression. Welcome.
थैंक यू. क्या हाल है?
Very good. आपका क्या हाल चाल?
एकदम चंगा है, सब बढ़िया चल रहा है.
Very good, very good, very good. Another episode. Are we ready? What are we going to talk about?
And we are very dynamic people, you know. We keep shooting all the time. We are always working.
Correct.
And as dynamic as we are,
हाँ.
Dubai as a city is even more dynamic.
I think I know where you are going with this.
So our city decides that first they want to make dynamic Salik.
Uh-huh.
And now we have dynamic parking.
So for people who don't understand dynamic parking, क्या होता है सर ये?
तो एक नई कंपनी क्रिएट की गई है, which is called Parkin. जी निकाल दिया है.
Okay.
Very creative.
Right.
I love the branding as well.
Right.
You're supposed to laugh. It was supposed to be sarcastic.
तू इतना seriously बोला मेरे को लगा हाँ okay you like it okay I should not be saying anything.
Right. But yeah, guys, you'll have a great branding team. There is now a new entity called Parkin,
Okay.
which is going to manage parking across Dubai.
Right.
Okay. Now, certain malls also have been included in that, such as Mall of the Emirates and Dera City Center.
Right.
तो आप अभी मॉल ऑफ द एमिरेट्स के अंदर जाओगे तो आपको एक एसएमएस आएगा that you are entering a parking zone with the code and 4 hours are free and then they will be charged.
So it's not a mall parking anymore.
No, it is now a public parking.
Right.
I have no idea, or a government or a private entity parking.
Right.
I don't know how this still functions, but there will be now chargeable parking, which always was. Now will be through another entity and not with the mall itself.
And also instead of paying जब आप मॉल बाहर निकल रहे हो you have a barrier there instead of paying वहाँ पे at the barrier now it will be कि आपका automatically either from the Salik wallet or the parking wallet
Correct.
वो जो है आपका amount deduct हो जाएगा automatically. Is that what it is?
Yeah, so it will be deducted from that. The VIP and the valet services are not charged; they are charged separately
By the mall.
by the mall. So that doesn't come under parking. Obviously, this is a way to streamline parking.
Right.
That means people don't have to wait at the barricade. They're easy to get in, get out.
Right.
Seamlessness of the entire transactions. And also all the people who wanted to park inside the mall and not pay the parking on the street and all of that.
हाँ.
That changes now. तो जो चोरी चकारी थी,
Parkin came and said ha 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 ha. Okay.
तो बेसिकली आप बाहर रास्ते पे भी खड़ा करो या अंदर खड़ा करो, पैसे
एक
लगने
ही
वाले.
है.
हाँ, पैसे लगने वाले.
Okay.
So that is how the parking now works
Right.
in the mall area. On the street, there is off-peak hours and non-off-peak hours,
Right.
which are different during regular timings and different during Ramadan.
Something like Salik.
Something like Salik.
Okay.
During Ramadan, they're only off-peak for 2 hours in the evening.
Okay.
Baaki it is
Iftar times.
iftar times.
Okay.
बाकी उसके बाद में पूरे पैसे भरो.
Right.
There is also going to be premium parking now. Those are not announced completely.
So प्रीमियम पार्किंग में ऐसा क्या मिलेगा जो मेरे को नॉर्मल पार्किंग में नहीं मिलेगा?
आपको कम चलना पड़ेगा. You are also going to get reserve your parking spot.
Okay.
So you can go onto an app
Right.
where you're going to go. You're going to reserve that space कि मैं ये टाइम पे आने वाला हूँ and block it.
बेसिकली जो हम लोग बैक इन इंडिया करते थे रुमाल डाल देते थे ये हमारी सीट हो गई है और उसके
exactly.
बाद में हमको कुछ नहीं पता है. हम तो आएंगे थोड़ी टाइम के बाद में.
उसके पैसे आपको भरने पड़ेंगे अलग से.
उस टाइम पे फ्री होता था. अभी आपको पैसा भरना है.
And there's also one more thing that is coming into place is the events parking.
Now that is a separate one from premium parking.
Correct. That is going to be at say Coca-Cola Arena और Sports City जब क्रिकेट मैच हो रही है.
हाँ.
या तो अपना वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में या एक्सपो में जहाँ पर ये सब हो रहा है वहाँ पर जाके अलग का पार्किंग चार्ज आएगा. सो people who don't want to park say inside the event space, Coca-Cola Arena or World Trade Center or whatever, they park on the street and they want to walk, creating gridlocks.
All of this is under parking.
All of this is under parking.
So just like Salik के आपने शेयर अगर लिए हैं तो
पार्किंग के भी शेयर लेना चाहिए.
पार्किंग के भी शेयर लेना चाहिए. Please read the offer document carefully before investing.
Yes.
But just saying. So now let's come to the launches now.
So we have had a very interesting week as well. Again a very interesting week. Internationally, Mercedes ने कहा है, I know we discussed Mercedes last time as well. उन्होंने कहा है कि हम पूरी नई गाड़ियाँ लेके आ रहे हैं.
फिर
So
से.
by the next 2 years, they are going through an entire change of the entire model lineup.
Okay.
So a lot of facelifts, a lot of new cars,
Which is a good thing.
which is a very good thing.
Yeah. Nice.
बट धमाका न्यूज ये है कि उन्होंने कहा है कि यूएई के लिए एक स्पेशल गाड़ी है.
Which is
व्हाट डू यू थिंक? यूएई के लिए स्पेशल गाड़ी तो क्या होगी?
the SUV.
हाँ,
उनके G-Wagon.
correct. So they are having a baby G-Wagon. सिर्फ not only for UAE, across the world. I'm just kidding. But they announced that they will have a brand new G-Wagon, which will be छोटा सा, इत्तू सा.
G-Wagon का छोटा वर्जन. G-Wagon का Jimny.
इत्तू सा, इसलिए इत्तू सा
Baby
बोला.
J, Baby G. Okay. So is it going to be petrol?
No information yet. We don't know what it is going to be. We don't know how it looks.
Okay.
It's just that they have said that they will do it. Whether it will actually happen or no, we will see when time comes.
And any plan of them coming out? मतलब कुछ timeline उन्होंने बताया कि कब आएगा, नहीं आएगा?
I'm assuming at the end of this year there will be an announcement about it, and then we will see the car actually live in 2027.
2027. Okay. Why are they bringing it? Just out of curiosity.
I think the G-Wagon is so popular, and the price points of a G-Wagon are close to $1 million dirhams now.
Right.
This is a bit way of giving that pedigree, that that tough body looking, aggressive, gad wala look and feel, and passing that on to a segment which cannot afford $1 million dirhams, but can afford 500,000 dirhams. And वो automatically sales strategy में घुस जाएगा. And they're basically selling more cars. Profitability तो चाहिए ही चाहिए ना.
So just like Samsung has an A series also and the
pretty
S
much.
series also, they want to do the same.
Pretty
thing
much.
for-
That's pretty much like an A class or a S class, right? From a small hatchback all the way
Correct.
to the big daddy limousine, right?
Correct. But the gad wala engine is from the AMG.
Correct. There will be an AMG version.
There
in
will
this.
be an AMG in this
100%.
as well, or they are
100%.
they saying कि it will only be an electric one इसके
No,
अंदर
no,
and बाकी उसके बाद में जयराम जी की
नहीं,
इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा तुमको.
They already learned their lesson with the previous generation of EVs.
हाँ.
I don't think that they're going to go and try to do
I
that
hope
right
not.
now. So basically what they've done is all the cars now will come with an option of either petrol, plug-in hybrid or electric.
Okay.
You can choose your pick.
And it looks the same.
It should look the same. We don't know yet. It should look the same.
Like
Similar.
in the case of Toyota, the car is the outer body looks the same whether it's a petrol or a hybrid.
You mean in the powertrain wise? Yeah, then it will look the same.
It
will-
should look ideally the same, just the powertrains are
Correct.
different.
It will look the same.
Right.
It's the
okay.
same like in BMW, i7 or 7 Series. They look the same from the
Exactly,
outside.
exactly.
The same. You know this idea, by the way, to launch a baby car, I had given it to JLR. Launch a baby Defender.
हाँ.
G-Wagon कर लिया.
हाँ.
I'm 100% sure they are going to do it now. वो लोग बनाएंगे. Baby Defender.
Baby Defender.
हाँ.
ठीक है जी.
By the way, didn't you drive a Defender recently?
I did. The
Good
130.
130.
130. With
परिवार
the-
वालों को लेके गए कि नहीं कहीं घूमने फिरने के
परिवार वाले सब बाहर थे. दिल्ली गए हुए थे. मैं परिवार वालों को फोन करके बता रहा था कि देखो सारी सीटें खाली हैं. तुम्हारे लिए लेकर आया था. ये वीकेंड पे कुछ नहीं हुआ.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. So you got a 7-seater
Yes.
SUV
Yes.
with nobody in your house.
Nobody at all. और मैं I was just roaming around ऐसे ही देखते हुए कि शायद हो सकता है, मतलब जैसे अगर दिल्ली में होता तो वहां पे तो होता ना, चलो नोएडा नोएडा वैसे करके. यहाँ पे वो भी नहीं कर सकते.
पर this is the true spirit of the name of the show.
हाँ.
पक्का गेड़ी मार रहे थे.
Can't be sitting at home, bro. Can't be sitting at home. Yeah.
But
Okay.
anyways, good car. I like the Defender.
I really do. I really do. And especially with the captain's chairs,
Yes.
I
Oh.
really enjoyed those. मतलब the bench seating is good, but
पीछे कैप्टन चल क्या करोगे? कोई चलाने वाला तो चाहिए. बुला लेते थे, हम चला लेते थे गाड़ी.
ठीक है. अगली बारी मयूर,
और उसका नाम और कुछ है यार.
माइकल. Okay.
But anyways, talking about cars again, back to Gadia.
हाँ.
And Defender से याद आया, Altair had a launch last week. They launched a new EV brand,
Another one.
another one. So they have VinFast, which is a Vietnamese one.
Correct.
Now they have a second one,
Which is
belongs to Chang'an, which is a parent company.
right.
Chang'an से आया है Deepal, which is a whole
Deepal.
Deepal. दीपक के जैसा Deepal. K निकाल दो, L डाल दो.
Okay.
So Deepal was launched in the UAE. It was a brand launch and a car launch.
Okay.
The car has orange interiors.
Orange interiors. We
Orange
are sitting in
interiors.
Deepal, bro, right now.
So the shade is called tangerine, if I'm not mistaken. It literally translates from Mandarin
हाँ.
to English and it's called Tangerine. So
Okay.
interior color Tangerine. पहली बार सुना है मैंने.
Last time it was purple. This time it is tangerine. Okay.
And
Okay. So this is. Have they told anything about कितना price point है, क्या है,
1 lakh.
and how many cars?
so there they showed 3 cars. One was a concept car,
Okay.
like a SUV,
Right.
like a Defender, electric Defender. One was a car which they might launch in the future.
Okay.
The other one, the middle one that they launched,
हाँ.
or the entry level that they launched was 130,000
Okay.
dirhams, pure EV.
Right.
Looked very good from the inside.
Right.
Obviously, materials are plastic and PU and all that, but the touch and feel was not bad for the car, for the price point. And बाजार में टक्कर तो देगा ही देगा यार. So it's going to fight everybody else, and I see it as a good space to be in for these entry level cars.
So entry level जब तू बोल रहा है is it's an entry level CUV,
CUV,
right?
correct. They make only CUVs.
Okay. But they have bigger ones also in that CUV range?
अभी नहीं, अभी एक ही गाड़ी है. एक ही गाड़ी लेके आ रहे हैं, and then time will tell what they bring after that.
Interesting. But unlike the Winfast, which was made in Vietnam but had Mahindra research and development as well.
Pininfarina भाई, महिंद्रा नहीं था, Pininfarina था.
Bro, for me, JLR is Tata.
हाँ, अच्छा ऐसा.
So-
अच्छा ऐसा. हाँ.
Pininfarina is Mahindra.
Okay. हाँ, so महिंद्रा का डिजाइन लैंग्वेज था. हाँ.
Right. But इसके अंदर भी कुछ वैसा था या is it totally Chang'an?
Total Chang'an.
Okay.
Totally Chang'an. So,
Okay.
But there's a very funny incident. तो हम गए थे लॉन्च के लिए, और पता है ऐसा होता है कि हमारे इवेंट्स जो होते हैं ना, ब्रांड्स हमें चुन चुन के मारते हैं,
क्यों?
क्योंकि एक दिन में 4 इवेंट कर देंगे.
हाँ.
एंड कभी कभी 2 इवेंट या 3 इवेंट ओवरलैप होता है टाइमिंग्स.
Okay.
टाइमिंग भी ओवरलैप होता है और डेस्टिनेशन भी, एक यहाँ पर, एक वहाँ पर, एक वहाँ पर,
Right.
और कोई कहाँ नहीं पहुँच सकता है.
हाँ.
पर ये बार बड़ा अजीब सिचुएशन था. एक तरफ दीपाल, एक तरफ एस्टन मार्टिन. आई एम नॉट किडिंग.
आमने सामने.
आमने सामने एट अल सिरकाल. So
Okay.
there was, you enter Al Sikal, on the left you will see दीपाल का बोर्ड है,
हाँ.
राइट पे एस्टन मार्टिन का बोर्ड है.
Both had their launches.
Both had the launches
Same day.
Same day, 1 hour from each other.
Okay.
Now imagine all the people who were invited for Deepal and not invited for Aston Martin. I was invited to both. I was invited to both.
अभी तो सब यही बोल रहे हैं जितने भी लोग हैं देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे गए थे, तो हमको क्या मालूम.
भाई, I had exclusive access to the car. जाके वीडियो देख लेना.
Okay.
But people gate crashed. Like influencers.
From Aston Martin to Deepal,
What
yeah,
do
the
you-
other way around.
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
Obviously from Deepal to Aston Martin. So influencers who had no invited Aston Martin,
हाँ.
वहां पर अपना तामझाम खत्म करके यहाँ पर घुस गए, क्योंकि सब लोग गाड़ियां देख रहे थे अंदर. तो एंट्रेंस में कोई नहीं था, आ गए अंदर.
Lovely.
एंड ऑब्वियसली वी नो सम ऑफ देम. एंड
Right.
कहाँ से आ गए तुम अंदर भाई साहब?
हाँ.
आ गए हम.
Just.
Just
Very good.
Beautiful car, Aston Martin.
Which one was the launch?
This is the flagship V12 car. So they bring back the V12 finally.
Right.
Twin turbo V12, 800 odd horsepower, 840 odd horsepower. Beautiful looking thing. Proper Grand Tourer, British racing green, tan interiors. It's just
Not tangerine.
Not tangerine.
Not tangerine. Only tan.
Only tan.
Tan
Asli
tak
tan.
hi sirf. Cut it there.
Cut it there. Know how to mix the colors.
Yeah. Okay. Deepal, dekh rahe ho? Okay.
So anyways, beautiful car. Absolutely spectacular to look at. Flagship V12 comes back into
Finally.
Aston, finally.
Yeah.
And I think it will sell out.
So
Very simple.
did they give a number?
Less than 1,000 cars a year they will make.
Interesting.
Less than 1,000. They will make every year less than 1,000. It's not a limited edition car.
Which is good.
मिलेगा भी नहीं भी मिलेगा. Kind of
देख.
50-50.
हाँ, अगर उन्होंने 999 कर लिया तो देखो खुश हो जाएंगे.
Correct,
फिर वो रोक
correct.
देंगे.
1 out of 999/2025.
25.
हाँ,
Exactly.
ऐसा ही होगा. Hand built in crew.
Exactly.
नहीं, क्रू नहीं, क्रू तो बेंटली का है. सॉरी, हैंड बिल्ट इन इंग्लैंड.
XYZ.
हैंड बिल्ट इन यूके या लगोंडा, क्या लिखा रहता है? आई कांट रिमेंबर यार.
Hand built by Aston Martin.
हाँ,
So
ऐसा कुछ है.
very nice.
मेरा गला काटने वाले हैं लोग इसके बाद में. But
Okay.
talking about Aston Martins, did you see that video that happened in Qatar?
The
Valkyrie
endurance
का-
race one.
हाँ,
Yes.
Valkyrie वाला.
Yes. After you sent me that link, I did see the video, and it is well done, Aston Martin. Very good race. Good. I'm not saying anything. It's a good thing. It's just your first race. अभी तो आगे बहुत सारी races हैं, but it's a good thing.
नहीं नहीं, पर वो भाई साहब, why can't he slow down?
It's a race, yeah.
यार,
How can you expect
you
him to slow down?
Go. Okay. First of all, have you guys seen the video? Do you all have any reference to the video we're talking about?
Okay,
If
you
not-
will see it.
हाँ, or we can tell the story. We can narrate the story as well, right?
So world endurance race जो है कतर में चल रही है, and this is I think the first or the second race.
चल
of
रही
the
थी,
season.
खत्म हो गई.
हाँ. It was the first or the second race of the season, and this is the first time that Aston Martin has entered into this particular world endurance race, and उनका Valkyrie, दो
Valkyrie,
Valkyries
Valkyrie,
have come in, and उसके वहाँ पे they have the Porsches and they have the Ferraris as well, and all of them are driving around the track. Everybody is going इधर उधर, and all of a sudden we see that Aston Martin Valkyrie का दरवाजा को ऐसे करके खुल जाता है ऐसे. And you cannot, it's a race. You cannot slow down the
No,
car.
but you can
cannot
pit.
do it.
You can pit. You can stop and put the door
But
down.
I don't think so. He was near to the pit lane though at that
भाई वो
point in
पेल
time.
रहा था, वो स्लो भी नहीं किया, वो तो पेलते गया यार.
Because it was a race ना.
एक
एक बारी के लिए वो it
ऐसा हाथ
came
डाल
down.
रहा
वो बेचारा हाथ मारा, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिखा, and he was like चल देखी जाएगी. It actually reminded me of Ford versus Ferrari.
हाँ, उसमें ऐसा हुआ था ना कुछ.
The Christian Bale वाला when he's out and he's like the bloody door won't shut, and वो फिर लाता है थाड़ करके उसके अंदर हैमर मारते हैं. But unlike in that one, this one दरवाजा गया.
I think he was fined for it, or he will be fined for it.
I'm sure.
The door flew off. किसी को
But
अच्छा.
it's not the driver's fault.
It's not driver's fault.
It's Aston Martin's fault.
I mean,
it's the company's fault.
It's the obviously it's the manufacturer's fault.
Correct.
But at the same time, I think the guy could have slowed down, found a way to genuinely lock it down, and then race again. I think he will lose more time without a door. Like in this grand scheme of things, you end up becoming slower.
He came, I think 7th या 9th ऐसी कुछ है बेचारा.
दो
एक तो complete नहीं हुई.
एक कंप्लीट नहीं, दो एक तो लास्ट में थी और एक 10 आया, 9 या 10
No,
आया था.
9th या 10th जो भी. So yeah, but it was. But I'm just saying कि अगर हम वापस से जाते हैं Ford versus Ferrari के अंदर Aston Martin, after the door was shut of the GT of Ford versus Ferrari, वो जीत जाता है रेस.
जीत जाता है.
जीत जाता है वो.
जीत सकते थे आप
So
भी.
आप हो सकता है आगे अभी सीजन बाकी है.
दरवाजे को ताला लगाना.
हैरिसन का ताला.
वो नहीं हुआ था वो.
लैच
वो ऐसा डाल के ऐसे टक.
कुंडी
कुंडी.
कुंडी नसर का हो राजा.
हाँ, वो गाना प्ले करो भी.
Oh, nice.
हाँ, but
Yeah.
another development I forgot to tell you about it earlier. We went to Abu Dhabi last week, and NIO, which is another EV manufacturer from
Yeah.
China,
Yeah.
which Abu Dhabi government has invested in,
Yes.
with McLaren as well. Same company invested in both these brands.
Right.
They are building these battery swapping stations in the UAE. तो उनका डेमो
Nice.
देने गए थे, दिखाने गए थे हमें.
Very
Where
nice.
Under 3 minutes, the NIO car will go inside the bay. The underbody moves, battery निकलती है, नई battery fully charged आती है, and drive out. And all of this is done autonomous. You could not. I mean, sorry, you can be in the car while this happens, but it's done automatically. Like the car will drive itself inside, position itself, all of that.
Right.
Or you can just stand outside, press the button on the app, and वो खुद ही कर लेगा पूरा.
So is it a new battery which is being swapped, or is it कि हर बारी अगर आपको बैटरी चार्ज करनी है तो there is a separate battery which just is taken out and नया वाला charged battery is put in?
नया वाला charge battery is put in. So literally they
Every
take out
time it's
every
going to
time.
be a new battery.
Yes. So basically every bay has approximately 21 batteries charged.
So it's charged battery.
It's a charge battery. तो
Not
आप
a new battery.
नहीं, it's a charge like battery
Recycle, right?
हाँ हाँ.
So जो आपकी बैटरी निकलेगी is
वो
वो
charge
charge हो
वो
जाएगी.
charge
It will
will
be
be-
kept
correct.
ready for any XYZ who comes in later.
Correct.
Very cool.
हाँ.
I like this.
And this they are opening, I think approximately 200 centers across the UAE. That's the plan.
Can this be done for other vehicles also?
No, only NIO.
Only new.
Yeah, because it has to be built into the car, right? You can't do that with other brands. This is only a NIO thing.
With this one, I'm guessing then the battery also is being loaded from down.
Literally, आप जाओगे.
Unlike the other ones, जिसके अंदर the battery is
नहीं,
inside the car, on top of the chassis, on top of the lining?
basically the battery pack is here and then the car is built on top of that.
Correct. But
हाँ,
the metal piece would be नीचे ना
यार
of
ये
the battery.
ये आपके मोबाइल फोन की तरह समझो, आप स्लाइड करके बैटरी निकालते हो ना पीछे से,
Correct.
वही है.
Exactly.
नीचे का वो नीचे से ट्रे खुलता है, बैटरी निकलती है और नई बैटरी आती है
I
अंदर.
like this.
So this is the thought process that Neo has कि it should be adapted down the line.
I like this.
Interesting. वीडियो देख लेना, डाल देंगे हम.
I like this.
So
Very, very
hopefully
cool.
they will implement this successfully across
And how much time does it take for
3 minutes.
replacement?
3 minutes.
Which is equal to the जो आप पेट्रोल जितना टाइम
Exactly that. So finally, there is some thought process in how to manage this. Now, the question comes is A, are there enough batteries when you go there? And then when you want to put a battery, which is the
Right.
closest station, and whether it has a spare battery or no with the right amount of charge, that is a other complication. Two, how are these stations themselves powered? Because they have to charge the batteries as well, right?
Right.
So are they being fed off the grid? Are
I'm
they
sure
solar
they would
powered?
be.
Are they right? This one was fed off the grid. That means either it's nuclear or it's gas.
Coal, gas.
Not coal. Gas or nuclear. One of it.
Oh.
And then, so the idea would be having a station which is solar powered or wind powered and then operates independently of anything.
How much do they charge every battery swap?
Full.
No, how much do they charge?
The price,
amount?
I don't know yet.
Because that is going to be one of the key things.
It will
as
be,
well.
I think it will be part of the car package or subscription package. I don't know how much they charge yet. They didn't disclose it to us, but we will find out.
In the sense, I'm thinking in terms of like how you go and you fill up petrol, right? You pay $100, $200 for a full tank. You pay whatever,
Correct.
200 से 250 के बीच
हाँ.
में. But इसके अंदर भी, if you're just going and you're saying they're building 200 stations,
Right.
करने के लिए, तो अगर किसी के पास में अपनी बिल्डिंग के अंदर जगह नहीं है या चार्जिंग पोर्ट नहीं है to charge,
Correct.
they can go there and just get the battery swapped and pay a nominal amount.
So it should probably be the same amount you would pay to charge your car fully.
Exactly.
Yeah, that should be the basic. The cost should be the cost of, say, recharging that battery size outside anywhere else.
Exactly.
So in line with Diva charging, I would say.
Nice.
That's the way.
Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, somebody is putting some thought process into it.
Everyone is trying to do some जुगाड़, right? Every brand is trying to do some जुगाड़ कि हमारा यहाँ पर चलेगा, हमारा ये चलेगा, हमारा वो चलेगा. Like I said, EVs are here to stay. It's just we are procrastinating the eventuality of it.
Honestly, yeah, I agree to that. It's kind of like how we shifted from horses to cars, right? When people were riding horses, everybody was saying, oh, horses, यही है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा. and all
Correct.
that. And then the cars came and everything just went for a toss there.
Correct.
The same thing will happen here as well. EVs will go, and finally then we will be in the Valkyries, driving on tracks and open doors and windows, enjoying the air.
That's the way it should be.
Yeah. We will only be driving it on the tracks, जैसे आजकल घोड़े चला रहे हैं ना on the tracks.
वैसे it's a lifestyle choice. It will be a luxury.
It will be a luxury. It will for sure be a, and for people who can drive cars on 2 or 3 pedals will be more, वो सारे के सारे prestigious बन जाएंगे लोग.
हाँ, exactly. Lego has said that they will make, or they've already made it,
They made it.
the
The
Formula
Formula
1 Ferrari के साथ में. So
Yeah.
they made a life size,
1:1, right?
yes, Formula 1 Ferrari car. Lego ने बनाया. By the way, if you don't know, Lego is also the world's largest tire manufacturer. And they also announced that they are going to stop making tires from rubber, but they're going to use plastic bottles and recycle them and make the tires from there now.
हाँ.
तो by the way, UAE में भी हुआ था ये.
क्या?
लेगो ने माजिद अल फुतैम और टोयोटा के साथ में लैंड क्रूजर बनाई थी लाइफ साइज 1:1. हमने देखी है जाके. लेगो का मार्केटिंग चालू है, चमक रहा है आजकल.
मेरे को एक्चुअली at one point in time I used to think कि टेस्ट ड्राइविंग कार्स जितने भी ये ब्रांड्स के लिए होता है, that is one of the coolest things to do. After this story came out, I was like, मेरे को लेगो के साथ में काम कर रहा है. ये जो सेटिंग करते हैं ना मॉडल्स बनाते हुए, I want to be one of those.
वो बैठ के एक वो लगाओ.
हाँ,
brick.
अरे exactly, and it's fun, right? इतना दिमाग लगता है, बट इट इज अ लॉट
नहीं
ऑफ
भाई, आई कैन बिल्ड अ लेगो माई सेल्फ एट माई होम, मैं जाके लाइफ साइज नहीं बनाना है मुझे।
बट तू घर पे लाइफ साइज कैसे बनाएगा?
नहीं नहीं, मुझे घर पे छोटा वाला बनाने का है, बड़ा वाला नहीं बनाने का, लाइफ साइज नहीं बनाने का
अरे
है।
उसके पैसे मिलेंगे।
हाँ वो बात तो है।
देखा?
लेगो स्पॉन्सर हिम,
Yeah, come on.
स्पॉन्सर अस।
Us, bro. We'll put up small. खाली पड़ा है पीछे. We'll fill it up with Legos.
एडवर्टाइजिंग स्पेस अवेलेबल ओवर हियर।
What are you doing, bro?
AR एंड बिजनेस ब्रेकफास्ट।
Yeah.
यार निसान का एक और खबर है, निसान न्यूज से निकलने को तैयार नहीं है आजकल।
अब क्या हुआ?
बहुत
बताएं।
फुटेज, सबसे पहले बहुत फुटेज ले रहा
We don't mind it. If you sponsor, we don't mind it. We are
So-
sponsor hungry.
है। ऑलवेज ऑलवेज भूखे हम।
बता क्या हुआ अभी?
आफ्टर 18 years they announced के no more Nissan GTR,
This
finish,
cancelling Nissan GTR
this is the
altogether.
final year of production।
इसके आगे और कुछ नहीं.
नहीं भाई, 18 साल तो वही गाड़ी बेच रहे, ना कुछ थोड़ा बहुत चेंज किया ऊपर नीचे, बट 18 साल तो वही गाड़ी बेच रहे भाई। हो
ये
गया
तो
time।
अच्छा हुआ आपने जीप के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला. रैंगलर के बारे में ऐसा
नहीं,
कुछ नहीं
रैंगलर
बोला.
चेंज किया उन्होंने यार, काफी कुछ है।
हर बार ही चेंज 4-5 साल के अंदर करते हैं.
हाँ,
बट
पर ये 18 साल में भाई, 18 साल में योर हेलो फ्लैगशिप स्पोर्ट्स कार, कुछ तो बेटर करो उससे।
that's also true.
So-
But okay, so what are they saying? They are not going to go ahead with it, or they are coming out with a new model?
No, they are not producing it. They're going to stop production.
GTR का.
GTR का. And
But
then
after this, are they going to come out with a new version like they had the 34? This was the 35. Are they going to have a 36 or 37 or something?
where is the money coming from?
Honda,
Not yet.
Mitsubishi,
नहीं नहीं, not yet.
Toyota.
Definitely not.
Okay.
Now they are actually hunting के who can come on board. They're even going to tech companies trying to figure out if there is a potential collab over there.
देखिए, अगर आपको चाहिए तो McLaren को जैसे अबू धाबी गवर्नमेंट ने किया है, वैसे ही there is a possibility.
आ सकते
UAE is a big market for you guys. So
For
you
the
never
petrol.
know. Huh?
For the petrol.
For the petrol. It is one of the biggest markets.
It is for the petrol. It is the biggest market.
Yeah, so why not? I mean, there's always scope there.
Always. But talking about tech companies, Xiaomi finally showed its car. Mobile phone SU7.
I saw it. Okay. I have to be honest with you. I saw it. I think it looks fantastic.
It looks good. I've seen it,
It
as
looks
well.
beautiful. It looks very aerodynamic. It looks like a wow. सब कुछ अच्छा है उसके अंदर. I think it's what 1500 horse power है or something like that.
1500 हॉर्स पावर नहीं यार, वो जो रोड गोइंग गाड़ी है 1500 हॉर्स पावर कहाँ है उसमें?
कौन सी वाली है वो?
अरे जो SU7 है, जो नॉर्मल सिडान है उसकी,
1500 ही तो है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? That is 1500
हाँ,
horsepower. It was standing in front of me the other day.
1.8 seconds के अंदर it's going 0 to 100 or something
भाई
like
उसका
that.
टायर कौन बनाता है?
Lego.
Seriously, 1500 हॉर्स पावर?
1500 horse power है.
But it
and
doesn't
it's
look
going,
like it has 1500 horse power.
That was my point. कि all of these cars are now मतलब electric motor से ही चल रही है ना. There's no engine, there's no parts, there's nothing
Correct.
there. So
There's no mechanical stuff.
It's basically just a smartphone. आपका iPhone जो बहुत तेज चल सकता है is what it is now. After about 2 seconds के नीचे आप आ गए हो for a 0 to 100, it really does not matter.
It's crazy, man.
It's just the motors which are
Yeah,
working now. So yeah, it's nice, but
But क्या करें हम 1500 हॉर्स पावर का?
अब चलाओगे कहाँ पे वो is the question. But-
फाइन के स्पॉन्सर चाहिए मुझे।
Okay. अच्छा जी, I have a question for you.
Yes.
So there is this media company YouTube के ऊपर, okay? Now what they did was कि Dodge वालों ने बोला उनको कि this is in the US कि हमारे पास में $10,000 हैं
Okay.
and we have to spend it. ये हमारा मीडिया बजट बच गया है इस साल का, हमको स्पेंड करना है.
Okay.
तुम क्या कर सकते हो हमारे लिए? ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा मनी लाइंग अराउंड, साल खत्म होने वाला है. So one of the guys who was working there, he said कि अच्छा ठीक है, हमने सारे वीडियोस बना दिए हैं, तुम्हारी गाड़ियों के ऊपर वीडियोस बना दिए, नो हाउ इन्स एंड आउट सब कुछ कर दिया, तुम टैटू कर दो डॉज का नाम. एंड ही गॉट इट टैटूड ऑन हिज चेस्ट.
चेस्ट यहाँ पर होता है पहली बात तो.
अच्छा
ये
सॉरी
कपड़े-
रिबकेज
ये-
रिबकेज सॉरी माय बैड थोड़ा सा नीचे चेस्ट के नीचे रिबकेज वहां पे ठीक है
he actually did this.
एक्चुअल टैटू एंड इट्स नॉट अ रिमूवेबल टैटू इट्स अ प्रॉपर परमानेंट टैटू
यार ये अलग लेवल का स्पॉन्सरशिप है, कितने पैसे लिए इसके लिए?
$10,000
बस
दैट मीडिया कंपनी गेव देम द $10,000 उस पर्टिकुलर बंदे को $1 भी नहीं मिला दैट्स अनदर स्टोरी माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज कि अगर मेरे को कुछ टैटू करना होगा तेरे ऊपर तो वुड यू
मेरे पर क्यों करे, अपने आप पे करो पहले तो।
पहले मैं तेरे से पूछ रहा हूं कि तेरे को अगर करना हो वुड यू और अगर ना तो कितने पे करेगा तू
नहीं, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा।
क्यों थोड़ा सा मतलब कुछ
नहीं,
तो
मैं
अमाउंट
कुछ
होगा
भी नहीं
जिसके ऊपर तू कर सकता है
नहीं, आई एम नॉट फॉर सेल ब्रो।
कम ऑन ब्रो कोई अमाउंट तो होगा तू एज इन इफ you're saying it because you don't have a tattoo या फिर you're saying it कि ये वाला टैटू नहीं करूंगा मैं
आई डोंट हैव अ टैटू,
हाँ
I don't think I'm ever going to get a tattoo.
हाँ
I have no inclination of sitting over there and somebody going bzzz on some part of me. No, it feels a bit odd.
हाँ
चाहे कितने ही पैसे दे दो।
तो तू कभी टैटू नहीं कराएगा
नहीं, मैं कोई दूसरा दिमाग लगा दूंगा, कोई भी आइडिया लगा दूंगा, पर मैं टैटू नहीं करवा रहा।
ओके
What about you?
मैं करा लूंगा बट इट हैज टू बी मतलब मैं ये सोच रहा था कि मैं डॉज नहीं कराऊंगा
तो क्या करोगे? Build your dreams.
हाँ इतना फिलोसॉफिकल भी नहीं होऊंगा मैं
हाँ, जीप
मैं-
जीप इसको जीप चाहिए।
मैं जीप भी नहीं मैं अगर कराऊंगा तो इट हैज टू गो विद मी राइट तो मैं शायद इंडियन करवा लूं
इंडियन? अच्छा, मोटरसाइकिल वाला। हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
बट ऑल्सो बिकॉज मेरा पासपोर्ट तो नीला है
तो महिंद्रा भी लिखवा देना फिर उस हिसाब से। नहीं
महिंद्रा नीला नहीं है
नहीं, बट यू कैन आल्सो डू पिनिनफरीना देन उस हिसाब से।
एग्जैक्टली नहीं नॉट पिनिनफरीना ब्रो ना
तो then
इट्स इटालियन
नो ब्रो, इट्स महिंद्रा। यू सेड
महिंद्रा नहीं कराऊंगा मैं सिर्फ इंडियन
ठीक है, तो उसका वो पूरा वो पंख वंख वो सब पूरा करवा देंगे।
आई एम एन इंडियन
हाँ, बट व्हाट अबाउट दैट, उसकी जो फेदर्स और सब होते हैं वो पूरा करवाएगा।
हाँ तो वो सारा करा लेंगे उसमें क्या है
रियल एस्टेट है कि नहीं करवाने के लिए?
बहुत रियल एस्टेट है या बट नाइस सही है कुल है जी we're all done right
We're all done.
ठीक है चलो on that note that was आप लोग के लिए गेड़ी मारो the show which happens for you each and every weekend Saturdays on City 1016 between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock make sure you catch us on City 1016
Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.
City 1016.